Starting your very first garden? Don't overthink it. The truth is, most beginners get tripped up by trying to do too much, too soon. I've been there. Today, I'm here to help you plan your very first garden, the easy, practical way. Simple, low stress, and totally doable, even if you've never grown a thing in your life. If you've ever stared at your yard or balcony and thought, I want to grow something, but I have no idea where to start, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a plan you can trust and the confidence to get your hands in the dirt. And hey, if you find this advice helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on more down-to-earth gardening tips. All right, let's dig in. Step 1. Start small. You might be dreaming of rows of veggies, but trust me, 1 or 2 raised beds, a couple of big containers, or even a single planter is plenty for your first season. Small spaces teach you the basics, how soil, sunlight, and water work together without the overwhelm. You'll build confidence fast, and when you're ready, expanding will feel natural, not scary. Next, pick the right location. Plants love sunlight. Most veggies need at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Watch your space for a few days and mark where the sun sticks around longest. That's your garden's sweet spot. And keep water close. Trust me, if you have to drag a hose across the yard every day, you're not going to love it for long. Now for the fun part, choosing what to grow. Start with easy, rewarding crops like lettuce, cherry tomatoes, green beans, peppers, or herbs. These guys are forgiving, quick to harvest, and perfect for beginners. Skip the tricky stuff like melons or corn for now. You want early wins to keep the excitement going. Keep your layout simple. Grab a pencil and paper and sketch out where your plants will go. Put taller ones on the north side so they don't shade the smaller ones. Give everyone enough space to breathe. Crowding causes all kinds of problems, from pests to disease. Simplicity here means less stress later. Don't forget about your soil. Mix compost, garden soil, and a little sand or perlite for drainage. Healthy soil is the secret sauce to healthy plants. Water deeply but not too often, and try to stick to a regular schedule. Consistency is key. Your plants will thank you. Finally, learn as you grow. Your very first garden isn't just about veggies. It's about learning what works in your space. Take notes on what thrives, what struggles, and how your plants respond. Little mistakes? They're just lessons. Each season, you'll get better. So there you have it. A simple, no-stress plan for your very first garden. Start small, choose the right spot, pick easy plants, and keep things simple. The secret isn't a perfect setup. It's just starting, right where you are. If you feel a little more confident after watching, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, practical gardening advice. Let's grow something beautiful, one simple garden at a time. Thanks for joining me. Happy gardening.